For problems like this, I always draw a picture. Actually, I draw two pictures. And I say, does the wording match this picture or this picture? And the wording says the number of miles that will be traveled by at least 60% of the trucks. At least 60% of the trucks. So it is talking about this picture. Oops. And you're going to use pH stat and that cumulative. I can't remember exactly how it words it. Cumulative percentage. And the way that works, you always look at your graph, left to right, and you enter in whatever area is below your line. So you're really looking for the 40th percentile. So you're going to enter in a 40 in pH stat, and that's going to give you 56,960.